Hey, let's take these beautiful chicken breasts, some heavy cream, and make this beautiful Italian dish. We're going to start by getting our chicken breasts onto a chopping board, and I'm going to cut the top part of the chicken breast into squares without fully cutting through. So we're going to do it vertically and then horizontally and create those little cubes at the top. This will create a larger surface area and the chicken breast will cook through quicker later. I'm going to sprinkle half a teaspoon of onion powder, then half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper all over my chicken breast to get them prepped for cooking. I'm now going to get my large skillet out. Make sure it's a large one. We're going to heat it up over medium-high heat and add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You really don't need more than that. When it's hot enough, we're going to actually place in carefully our chicken breasts onto the skillet one by one. And once we're done with that, we're going to cook the chicken for 3-4 minutes on one side until it's golden brown kind of. And then we're going to just flip it after those 3-4 minutes, and once we flip it, we let it cook for another 3-4 minutes until it's kind of goldenish. I'm then going to lower the heat and we're going to get 6 cloves of garlic. We're going to nicely peel them up. I just cut the edges and peel them, and then you want to get the garlic press and just press the garlic straight into the skillet, onto the chicken and onto the oil. We want to mix it in a little bit and let it cook for 30 seconds only. I'm then going to add in 2 cans of chopped tomatoes. Yes, 2 cans. And we're going to add them in with 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning into the skillet. I'm going to give it a stir. Please mind the chicken in it, so be nice and careful. We're going to let the chicken breast simmer in this sauce for 5 minutes. Oh my god, it's already looking delicious. So now the next step while the chicken is cooking up is to get our Parmesan cheese. I'm getting a few pieces and I'm just going to grate them nicely with my grater. We need a total of 1/4 of a cup of Parmesan cheese, so take your time to do that. Once it's grated, just sprinkle it all over the skillet. I'm then going to get half a cup of heavy cream and just pour it in just like that. Make sure you spread it all over the skillet so it's easier to mix it in later. And I'm then going to get some fresh basil and just chop it up nicely. Make sure it's washed. We want to have a total of 1/3 of a cup of fresh basil that's chopped, and just place it into the skillet. Make sure you spread it around as well. You could also just mix these ingredients in a separate bowl and pour them in, but I'm too lazy. So now we want to just mix it in well. Make sure that we cover our chicken breast with all of the ingredients and give it a very good mix. Our tomato sauce will change in color a little bit. It will get lighter. We love that. So we're going to give it a mix and let it simmer for 3-5 minutes, so not that long, before we take it off. And once it's taken off the heat, we're gonna want to serve and enjoy our chicken. I'm going to serve it in a plate with some Italian salad. Very simple. This creamy chicken is full of flavors. It's so delicious. It's very easy to cook for the whole family. You can enjoy it even with pasta or just a salad of your choice. Enjoy it. Have a lovely day. Take care. Subscribe and like. And of course, go to allnutritious.com. Either way, thank you and bye.